Before we start, guys, please make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending, guys, thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Super helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses relays for the SOS module, the emergency electronic control module fuses relays. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them on Mercedes W204 C-Class right here. By the way, guys, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes as well that contain some of the most important fuses in that car. 95% of the people do not know they even exist. We'll talk about that, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment below, guys. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make that video and save you even more money. We already have hundreds of videos on that Mercedes C-Class on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs, so let's start on it now. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We make mechanical repair videos, engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical, engine, transmission codes, fuses. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the garage is, guys, to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So the SOS emergency call system control module fuses relays, where you can expect to find them, guys. We're going to come to the trunk, okay, on that Mercedes now. And by the way, guys, okay, you have hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. We have the video on the channel that's known as Mercedes W204 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it will talk about all that, guys. But here you're going to have that cover, twist it, remove it, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. That way you do not spend money on diagnostics, parts, repairs you may actually not even need. So, guys, you have different kinds of fuses and relays. We're talking about the maxi fuses, standard fuses right here. You have, watch how many different kinds of relays as well. Now, these fuses, sometimes you can clearly see if a fuse is burnt or not by looking at the element. But sometimes it's really sneaky. They can burn here on the side. It's hard to see. Some fuses will not be visible as well. And we had people that will spend thousands of dollars in repairs, replacing modules, even engine computers, when all they had to do, they assumed they had a good fuse. They pulled it out, they saw it, and they assumed it was good. But guys, you can easily test these fuses, and on some of these, most of them, they have even the terminals on top that allows you to check them with a voltmeter and find out if it's good or bad. You see, that's a good fuse. If it's blown, okay, like this one here, it's blown, nothing. Check this thing out, no connection. One next to it, okay, right here, let me get good contact point. That's a good fuse, guys. You can see, you can test them. Now, relays are harder to test, but with the voltmeter, fuses are super easy to test. All we have to do is set it on that setting and practically your ohm resistance setting, and you can find, guys, okay, if it works or not. For instance, that one was the good fuse. You can see it's going to go down to 0 ohms resistance, or you can go ahead, remove it, and test it the same way, guys. It should have 0 ohm resistance. Now, relays, guys, are a little bit more complicated, but it's doable. It will take you a minute or two to find out how to do that. Now, we'll put, guys, links to a video that will explain how to test relays, how to test fuses, which battery terminal you need to reconnect and disconnect first if you're doing repairs, because that can cause modules to burn as well, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair. Check out the videos, they will be in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. Here, guys, where we need to check, we will be working in that green fuse block on top right here. The very right fuse is fuse 81, the very left one is 87. So, okay, that's 81, 82, 83, let me see now. So, you may have, guys, okay, I'm trying to focus here, fuse 83, okay, okay, we're not showing the box, let me grab the thing here. Okay, perfect, just like this one. So, you need to check fuse 83, we don't have that one, but we have fuse 87 right here. That's the one for our specific model, but you may have fuse 83 as well. You don't have a relay, it's only the fuses for the SOS, guys, emergency call system control module, that you need to check on that Mercedes W204. In this Mercedes W204, you're going to have all kinds of different fuses and relays that sometimes are hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding one, guys. Replacement one, you may be stuck. It happened to us. So what we usually do, we buy some spare ones and we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share a link where you can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. That link will be in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.